Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully your barbecue season is going well. Today I'm going to show you how I clean the Weber kettle grill using products that you can get at Lowe's and Menards. And even if you don't have a Weber kettle grill, you can still use these products and get great results. First thing you're going to want to do is get this bottom area cleaned out, get as much ash out as possible. First thing I'm going to use after I get that cleared out is the Citrus Safe Barbecue Grill Cleaner. You guys can use this after every grill. Just spray the grate there. What I want to do is get as much of this stuff down to the bottom and then flush it out as we go. So I like letting that soak for a few minutes. And as that's soaking, as you guys can see, the lid of this Weber, that is caked with a bunch of stuff. I smoke a lot and that's some buildup. So what I want to do, we'll get some rubber gloves on. Use one of these Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubbers. See that just there kind of knocks that off pretty good. And then I got a bucket over here. I'm going to just dump this stuff in the bucket. So this has been soaking now for about 5 or 10 minutes. Let's see, little chunks. I just want to get the majority of that off. It's really caked up on there. Just fine now. Just want to get as much down to the bottom as we can. We'll set this off to the side. Again, this Citrus Safe, you guys can use this in between cleanings. It's a good product. All right, now all the debris down here, same as the lid, we just want to knock that down, get as much of that out of there as possible. What I'm going to do, fill this bucket up with water and just rinse all this out. Now, as far as the cleaner, I've used both these products, the Zep or the Easy Off. Today I'm going to be using the Easy Off Pro commercial grade. And we're just going to spray that and get this lid cover here as well. I want to get right around that temp gauge too. That way it's accurate for our cooking, or semi-accurate. Now you guys might be thinking that this is harmful. Probably not. You just want to do it in a well-ventilated area. So you can see I'm just really caking that on. And you can start seeing it start working pretty quick. So let's let that soak and see what we got. It's been on now for about 20-25 minutes. This does say you can leave this on for up to 40 minutes. This isn't too bad. It looks like it's already starting to break apart a little bit. So I got a new Scotch-Brite, got some fresh water here, and we'll actually just start with this lid. You guys can see that. Just getting all that cake stuff off. Take that Scotch-Brite, knock more and more of that stuff off there. And then start breaking this down, scrubbing this bowl a little bit. Just get the big chunks cleaned up. Now I've got most of this knocked off. What I want to do now, just grab an old rag, dip it in some water, and start getting this pushed out. And then the same with the lid here. Alright guys, as you can see, it's cleaning up nice. I like using this spatula to get some of that stuff there on the top edge knocked off. What you don't want to do is use anything metal on this kettle. We'll end up tearing it up, but you might need to reapply this a few times, but probably within an hour, hour and a half, you're going to have a clean kettle. Now once this is clean, if you're worried about fumes, go ahead and burn this off with just 10 to 12 briquettes. And then about 20 minutes, you should be good to cook some food. So hopefully this video helped you out, and hopefully you're gonna be able to keep that grill nice and clean throughout the barbecue season.